message.
Hello, my name is Sergeant Cynthia Hanna with the Internal Affairs Unit of the San Diego Police Department. I have just received your complaint regarding a sergeant on our department. I'll be handling the investigation. What I would like to do is get a hold of you and set up a time for an interview. I am going to be heading out of town next week. At the end of next week, I will not be back until mid-August, but I was wondering if we can make contact with the phone and maybe set up a time that the minute I return from vacation that we can have this interview. The best way to reach me is directly at my desk, and the number is 619-531-2961. Again, that's 531-2961, and my name is Detective Sergeant Cynthia Hanna, Hanna. Thank you.